In this problem, we are asked to find the equation of a line using the given information, and they give us 2 points. So recall when you're writing an equation, you need to or in y equals mx plus b form, you need a slope, which is m, and you need a y-intercept, which is b. So the first thing we're going to have to do is find the slope. So that's what I've already got here. To calculate the slope, remember it's rise over run, or the change in y, so you see my y values being subtracted, over the change in x, so you see my x values being subtracted. And order is very important. So if I go 1 minus 7, then I can go 4 minus 4. If I would have gone 7 minus 1, because it's 4 minus 4, you don't notice the order so much. But with numbers that are not the same, make sure you're doing it in the same order. So when I simplify that, I get negative 6 over 0. And we know that when we divide by 0, that is actually undefined. So the slope for this particular problem is undefined. So what that tells us is we have an undefined slope that is not the same thing as a 0 slope. If you get a 0 slope or an undefined slope, that's telling us that our line is either vertical or horizontal. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Vertical lines have a slope that is undefined. So those two types of lines actually have very, very, very simple equations. Because this is a vertical line, we are just going to have an equation of x equals 4. We don't have a y-intercept on this, so that's why it's not there. If it was a horizontal line, it would have been y equals 4, because it would be crossing the y-axis at 4. This would actually, if you were to graph the 2 points, 4, 1 and 4, 7, they would form a vertical line, and that would go through the x-axis at 4.